Hi everyone, it's Nancy with Stamping Before Anything Else, and we are here today to do our Make It in Minutes video, and we are going to be making this fun fold right here, Reach for the Stars. It's using this new Stargazing DSP, and the new Reach for the Stars bundle right here. Fun stamp set. We're going to be doing a class to go here very shortly, so make sure you watch for details on this. It's going to be fun because we're going to be doing quite a few 3D items. So we're also going to be featuring this designer series paper, Stargazing. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? It is so much fun, and look at all these bright colors. I love it. So we're going to get started. I already got everything cut and prepped. And so you're going to want to make sure that you check out the description below. We're going to have a link over to our blog that's going to have all the measurements. And so we're going to get started. So we have our base here that we're going to fold. And we're going to put a good burnish on this right here. We're going to put our designer series paper right there, and you can decide which one you want, this side, or if you want to mix it up like I did on this one, I use that piece. If you want to put that one there and have that there, completely up to you. So in fact, I think what I'll do is I'll switch it up, and we're going to do it just the opposite and see how that looks, and see which one you'll have to put in the comments, see which one you like the best. So here we go. We're going to put a little bit of glue on here and put this layer right here. We're going to go ahead and crease this. We're going to mount this directly onto our Tahitian tide. Then we're going to take our designer series paper, we're going to adhere this to the inside, put this, make sure you got equal distance all the way around. So this piece right here we're going to do stamping on. And we're going to stamp the Reach for the Stars. But while I got my inks out, we're going to go ahead and stamp our sentiment in Starry Sky. That's going to go on the outside. It's called Your Stellar. We're going to take our Tahitian Tide ink. We're going to take the Reach for the Stars, and we're going to stamp this right here for the inside. And then on our bigger piece here, we're going to be using our astronaut, and I'm going to use Tahitian Tide for this. Okay, so now we're going to put this one on the inside of our card. Okay, so now with these two, what I did with our dies is I took this big one right here and I die cut this out right there. And then of course we're going to use our die cut for the astronaut. All right, so what I did ahead of time is I already did those. So here we have them. Ta-da! All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to adhere our astronaut. And then next, we're going to take some dimensionals. We're going to put a whole bunch of dimensionals on this because I'm going to be using ribbon, and I want to use these dimensionals to adhere the ribbon to. Now, this is an online exclusive ribbon, and it's a combo. One comes in gold and one comes in silver, and it's just called the gold and silver 1/8 inch trim. So what I did is I just took some of this and I just kind of layered it on the back of here, made a circle, Now we're going to adhere it directly onto the front. And then we're going to take and put some rhinestones. Okay, so that is it, guys. Pretty quick and simple. I hope you like this. Let me know which version you like. Do you like the one with the galaxy in the background, or the planets in the background, or do you like the one with the planets in the front? You let me know. It'd be kind of cool to see what it looked like if we did both. The designer series paper with the planet on the back and the front. That would be cool too. So please let me know what you think, and let us know if you like this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to our channel, that'd be awesome. Hit that notification bell so that you know when we post new videos. Plus, if you would like weekly card inspiration and 5 free tutorials, make sure you join our newsletter. You can find all the descriptions and all the links below. Thank you so much. Bye.